welcome to Da Nang. We just finished up the reviewing from the M Hotel. It's insanely windy today. Very, very windy. At least it stopped raining right now. Thank God. Because you cannot even hold an umbrella because it's so windy. So now we're gonna cross the street. Hopefully not die. Oh God. Okay. Okay. Marcus is Marcus is already over. Okay. So we're gonna have a little walk here on the beach. Let's see how it is. So I feel like there's a storm lingering around. But actually it's nicer here on the beach right now than all in the streets. On this little side streets towards the Antung area, it's very, very windy. But here it's actually not that bad with the wind, right?
No,
okay.
It was
pretty good actually. And thank God it stopped raining. So we just did some hotel review on our German channel. This is Maya Beach Bar, very nice, very stylish, but it's very windy today. It's okay actually inside, I think, because they have a roof, so it's fine. Here, by the way, I did a review about every single hotel on the beach here. You can check it out on my main channel. I will link it down below. And yeah, look at this beach here. Looks pretty rough. It's also because it is so rough. There's also trash on the beach right now, again. So every time there's this huge storm, it looks very bad. But usually the good thing is, the storm is over, they clean up everything right away. But this is also reality here. Lots of fishing going on. Tourists are still down. I always think myself, if you come here as a tourist, like short trip for 2-3 days and it is this weather and then the beach looks like this, that must be very bad. But the crazy thing is, in 3 months from now, this will be white sand beach, blue sky, and absolutely beautiful water and clean. And for now it's not the case. You see beer glasses here. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's just like a ruin. But yeah, it's still low season, rainy season, and just not ready for tourism on the beach. But here and there, it's gonna be good, to be honest. Actually, the last week was pretty good, but now it's just like different. Look at how dirty the beach is right now, Marcus.
unfortunately.
Yeah, but the good thing is it doesn't stay long because they clean it up pretty quick. So here are toilets from Maya. Pretty big toilets for big people because the public restrooms are pretty small. It's pretty tough to go to the restroom there. And here is the starting of the Antung area over there. We're gonna go and walk all the way to have Western style banh mi's at a Canadian place. Because they have very nice banh mi's there. It's not the normal taste, but it's delicious. I'm wondering where they're from. Hello. I think they are from, where are they from, man?
That looks like Korea.
No, I think they are from Vietnam.
Really?
I mean, I don't know. They have Saigon travel hats. But I don't know if it's, maybe Thailand. With this weather, you gotta be very careful. Always drink your electrolytes and vitamins. And I actually take vitamin D when it's so bad weather, because you can actually get sick here. I already feel a little bit sick, and I'm glad I'm gonna leave on Sunday. I'm so happy. I will go on Sunday to Thailand for 3 days, and I will make also there a lot of walking videos on the beach with sun, and a very nice alternative. If it gets too rainy here, just take a flight and leave, and then come back when it's better. Unless you're like Marcus, because Marcus actually loves this weather.
Yeah.
And I actually met so many subscribers who love this weather, because it's cool, and when it does not rain, it's great actually.
Yeah.
Especially if you wanna see the country, travel around, you will have way better time in the rainy season if it does not rain, because it's actually cool and nice temperature. Because in the summer you don't have rain, but you have tropical ultra heat. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it, but not everyone does. Like those Germans, like Marcus, he likes it. He's from Hamburg. It's a very rainy place. It's almost like UK. Yeah. And English people also. Oh my God! It's so strong wind right now. Wow, we actually getting pushed. We're getting pushed.
Yeah.
So always keep your eyes open, because sometimes some roof parts or something can just fall off. You always have to be very cautious, because if there's a typhoon coming through, it can go very quick and lots of damage quick. So if it's like very, very windy, just stay somewhere in a coffee shop or home. It sounds very creepy. It's like when this wind bursts come in. Yeah, if there's a typhoon around, stay at home. There's no need to stay outside, because it does not really take long for the typhoon to get through, usually 5 minutes, but it's very strong. I remember the last typhoon I was here, I'm in the 8th floor, and the whole house was shaking. It felt like an earthquake. I woke up with the shaking of the building, and I'm like, oh my God, am I really safe in here? But it's okay. It's all good.
Now the wind is a little low.
And she looking at me like that. Can you imagine? The lady is driving on the walkway, hits me and looks at me stupid. Why am I on a pedestrian street? Crazy. Crazy. So guys, so always keep your eyes open. There are a lot of people who don't care if it's a walkway. Yeah. My God. Okay, so we are approaching now. This is Antung 4, and we're gonna go on the Le Quan Dao Street to the left, and we're gonna have a Canadian banh mi today. They have pulled pork banh mi, but they have different ones, and I want to try out maybe 2 banh mi's there. This is a very popular intersection. This is the Hoan Kevim Street and the Le Quan Dao. 2 very big streets.
It's also very like a coffee place in the country.
So this is the Le Quan Dao Street with the Sea Lounge. So here sometimes it can be very, very messy with the buses. The buses don't care at all. They just stand somewhere on the street and blocking the whole traffic for everyone. And because this whole Sea Lounge is made for mass tourism. And it's a huge space there, and they're gonna have non-stop tour groups there. But we're actually gonna go and check out Canadian place for our banh mi. This place, I don't know what this is. I think this is a Maybe a dim sum place. Oh, they have even Vietnamese food. Okay. Okay, Marcus, let's sit down here. Okay, this is how it looks. That's where we're gonna go. And so thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and the subscribe and see you on the next one. This is how it looks.